Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again for another video for you guys. Today I'm going to be demoing off this 30-shot Voodoo Devils by Phantom Brand Fireworks. By the way, happy Halloween to everybody. Hope everyone's having a great Halloween and enjoying the holiday. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to be demoing off the Voodoo Devils by Phantom Brand Fireworks 30-shot. As you see, that's the performance. If you guys want to pause the video. And this is what the tube layout looks like. Got some pretty good sized tubes. But anyways, let's demo off Voodoo Devils by Phantom Brand Fireworks. Alright guys, here goes Voodoo Devils 30-shot by Phantom Brand Fireworks. Hope you guys enjoy. Happy Halloween, by the way. See if I can turn off my light. Voodoo Devils, 30-shot by Phantom Brand Fireworks. It's wet as hell. I almost stepped in a puddle. Okay, we're good. Not bad, really good cake. If you see that Phantom, definitely pick it up.